In 2021, Auckland has been in lockdown for 3 months. That was hard and stressful for everyone. I hope 2022 brings us health, wealth and happiness. We made a holiday plan early this year before the lockdown. We were not sure if we'd make it because of the Delta outbreak. We finally made it. Our road trip has started. We departed Auckland on Christmas Eve, non-stop driving to Wellington to catch the Inter-Islander ferry, crossing the Cook Strait and arriving in Picton at midnight. That was unbelievable. Our plan is to explore the upper part of the South Island, including a sailing holiday in Queen Charlotte Sound as well. We will be traveling around Marlborough region, Westport, Greymouth, Lewis Pass to Hanmer Springs, Kaikoura, Blenheim and Picton to catch the Inter-Islander ferry again. We didn't forget Farewell Spit, that was worth visiting, after windy mountain roads. That was amazing. I've already made a video about Picton and a teaser for our 2022 holiday adventure. See what is next in today's video. Enjoy! After the sailing part of the holiday, we'll resume our road trip. Before we start, let's go back and see where we started our journey. Our road trip started in Auckland. Although we had enough time, we didn't take the Southern Motorway 1 all the way down to Wellington to avoid any traffic jam or any COVID-19 checkpoints, and also skip the boring desert road. We had an easy scenic driving to Wellington Ferry Terminal and catch the Inter-Islander ferry and reach the South Island of New Zealand. In the first part of our road trip, we travel around the upper part of the South Island of New Zealand. Then we had a break for the road trip, parked our car and had an amazing sailing adventure. We are currently in Nelson. We promise to come back to Nelson again to see the world famous Kaiteriteri Beach and Split Apple Rock. Our next destination will be Nelson Lakes region, then Westport, Greymouth, Lewis Pass, Hanmer Springs, Kaikoura, Blenheim and Picton. Here is the Kaiteriteri Beach, one of the famous beaches in New Zealand. It's in Nelson. Now it's not a good timing because there is low tide, so the water is will come in 1 hour, I guess. We'll spend a couple of hours here. On the way to our next destination, Nelson Lakes. We'll stay in a hotel by the lake sides. On the way we just stop in here, Kaiteriteri Beach. Now it's low tide. Let's see water is coming. Maybe in 1-2 hours, couple of hours. All this area will be covered by the water. Now I'm just exploring around. There is I just spotted few moorings like balls here. I think I don't know maybe all this sand area will be sunk into the sea, and mooring maybe could be for small dinghies. And also I spotted few over there. It's like a very shallow, but when it's high tide, I think you can bring your boat here, maybe small dinghy, not the big ones. And I guess there are lagoons like here, flowing to the sea, flowing up and down. And over there is another, looks like a river. Coming from a stream, or maybe the same water. When it's high tide, the water maybe just reach behind the hills and then find a way to the sea. Kaiteriteri Beach is like 17 kilometers away from Nelson, so maybe Nelson locals favorite beach. I'm not sure if this is the fresh water or just the same water going up and flowing up and down. Can you see? It's a nice playground for kids. Kids are playing here in shallow water, just splashing and getting cool in this sunny weather. I think we won't be able to make all of it. Maybe we'll miss some of these beautiful beaches. From here there is a famous apple split rocks, like two rocks. Looks like one apple split in the middle in two parts. So we'll visit that rocks, and maybe there is another remote beach over there. I couldn't find the source of this river, where it starts. I don't have time to explore and discover that. See, the water is, there is a current here, very strong current for kids. They are doing bodyboards here. It was stronger when it's low tide, but the water is coming up, so a little bit weak at the moment. So all goes to the sea. Now we are going to Split Apple Rock. It's 15 minutes walk from here. But it's getting dark. It's 7:30. It's like evening time. Looks like there are creepy crawls here. It's nice, comfortable, easy walking track. It will take 15 minutes. Before it's sunset, I think we will reach there and then take good pictures and record some video footages. Okay, there is a water taxi access here, otherwise we are using the land bushwalk. That must be the Split Rocks. There is a nice cove here, you can swim and enjoy this beautiful beach. Someone is fishing over there. I'll find the right angle. Here is the Apple Rocks, Split Apple Rocks. I think we will go over there to find the perfect angle, and also we'll find the sunset time. It will be beautiful. So sun will be setting. The sun will be set behind the rocks. So it will be picturesque moment. This for speed roasting. Someone put this sticks. Maybe they will split a lamp, or maybe I don't know. Kaiteriteri Beach is just behind this cove, this bay, behind the hill. I think it's behind the hill, and then it's 4 kilometers driving. Really just behind this rock. Yes, here is the Split Apple Rocks. It looks like one big apple. Maybe just split in the middle for maybe thousands of years. I don't know the story on this rock. There are baby mussels on the rock. They all cover the rocks on top. You can see it looks like a black rock, but it's actually not black. All baby mussels nested here.